it is me, Zero Jumpy Baby here, and today I am going to be playing, as you can tell, some Animal Jam! Yay! I think my thing is on mute. Yes, it is. Let's turn it down a bit. Yes, I got diamonds! I almost have enough to do, to get, if I can just get 3 more diamonds, I'll be able to, well, you know, get an Arctic wolf. I really want an Arctic wolf. Let's see what everything is happening. I'm gonna show everyone what I've been talking about. Okay, so here we go. Let's go to your. Oh, really? Okay. This is my backup account. Remember, easy, everything. This is my portal. This is where makes it go to my place. And I don't have a portal to my place. Wow, I just noticed that. Let's go play some games. This episode is going to be a full episode of gameplay. Let's see what party's on. Trading party. Oh, I got to go to trading party. So, the pink on. Okay, so let's add some things to my trade list. Let's do, this carrot chair. Let's do, what do we do now? Clothes for sure. My window skirt. Let's do this cast, because I don't need that. I have no idea, but I just got that. But someone sent me this, I thought. So I'm just gonna put it on my trade list, and let's see what's all on my trade list. When will be this party? Let's just sit here and hope, because I don't know. Okay then, sure. Because I'm gonna randomly stuff. That was awkward. Very awkward. Oh yay! Here we go. Let's do this party. Oh my gosh, the lag. Let's sit here and go. Excuse me, I'm recording. She is rare. No way. How did she get this many rares? I mean, that's crazy. Click it. Oh, dang it! Oh, yes. So give her the carrot chair. Please tell me that I would. No! I'm just not gonna upload this video.